Hi guys, TB here. So in this tutorial I will show you how to use the Google Analytics 4 version for Royal Audio Player and Mp3 Sticky Player. So this applies to both players. So let's just move to Google Analytics. After you have created an account and you are logged in, I already have here a few accounts made. This one is the one I was testing on, but let's create a new one so that you will see how this is done. So accounts, okay, not here. One moment, because I'm kind of lost in this admin. So click here on the admin and create account. I'll just give it name generic test2. Next, property name. So this is basically the property where the data will be collected. So you can call it anything. I'll just call it Royal Audio Player. I'll leave this to United States and US dollars. You can change it to your where you live, but you can leave it like this if you want. This is the business detail, small in my case, and select the type. I'll just select computer and electronics. Next, and this is important, select this one, get baseline reports. Okay, accept. And we need to select the web, choose a platform because this is for web. And here these are measuring events. You can remove some of them. For example, I don't want to, let's click on the settings. I don't want to know when the site was searched, or this one or this one or this one. All I want is page views. So this is what I'm interested in. This stuff is not important. You can leave all of this enabled if you want, and you will have reports from this stuff as well. Click save, and here you need to add the URL where the player is running. So in this case, I will delete this. This is the URL. So select everything except HTTPS and add it here. And stream name, anything you want. Okay, create stream. So this is what you are interested in. One moment, this is not important. So this is what you need. Okay, I will just close this for now and show you where you can get it, because this screen will appear only once. So go to admin. After all this stuff it's enabled, you will see here that this account is selected and this property is selected. Okay, and go here to admin. And let me see, because there is a lot of stuff here. Data streams, select this one and click on this one, and you will have the exact same screen. And copy this, and after you copy this in the JavaScript version, go to Google Analytics tracking code and paste it here. Or I already have done it for a previous account, so just paste it here, save the file. And for WordPress, here in your preset, so if you have this preset, for example, just add it here and update the settings. Okay, and this is all that you have to do for this to work. Okay, one more thing that you need to do to test this, it's you need an extension. This is just for testing. It's called Google Analytics Debugger. See, just search for it. analytics. I think I already have it here. Okay, go to debugger, click on it, and I already have installed it, so I'll not do it again. Once you have this installed, make sure you activate it here by clicking on it. Yeah. Okay, let's clear the console. You can open the console to see if it works. You should have here some text. I will show you in a moment. And to test this, go to Analytics and Debug View. Of course, this interface might change because Google Analytics always is changing this stuff, the menus and how everything looks. But the concept will be the same. So you just have to find the new menus here. So once this is enabled, you see here this panel here. I will just refresh the page, and you'll see all these parameters here, page view, blah blah blah. I will create again, so it is working. Nothing is sent yet, and I will just play a track. And you see here there is an event sent, and if you check here, actually, I have to test it on the other account. Actually, no. Let's do it here. Where was it? Data stream, so that you can see that this is how it's done. So I will just copy this here, and I need to upload this to my server. I will show this as well, how to do it. So I have here my test file, wrap, and here are the files. I'll just override this stuff. Okay. Okay, so it's done. The files were overwritten there. And now if I go to debug view and refresh the page, it will show here that some stuff is sent. I will close this one because there is no need for it. And let's try to play now. Okay, so you see that some events are sent: first visit, page view, session start, and now the played event. So when a track is played, an event is sent called played. So if you saw, I clicked 3 times, so 3 plays. I'll click one more. So this doesn't have a source, so it will not work. Again this one, and it should appear here any second now. Okay, so here it is now. So sometimes you need to wait 10 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds, it depends. So this is the last one, and if you click on it, you can see here a few other stuff. This one, and this one are sent by Google Analytics, so they cannot be changed. But these 3 are custom parameters. So the playlist name, so this one, see the playlist name, if you can see here my playlist one, the track name, so I don't know which one, this one, and also the track URL, so the mp3 file path. So once this is done, you can view it in reports here, engagement and events. But you need to wait about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours until the data is available. So I have here on the different account, I already tested this, so I'll show you how this should look. So I have the events, and you can see here these are the ones that I showed you there that are sent by Analytics. And there are also 2 custom events. This is for download, where so this one. So when a track is downloaded, you will be able to see here the event. So if I click on the played one, here is the report. I'm not an expert at this, you can check it out and be better than me, but this is how it will look. You can see the region from where the events were sent. In my case, I'm from Romania, so you will see this all over the place. This is the track URL. You can see how many the track URL and how many times it was played, the track name, and also the playlist name. So this is what you should have. There is one more thing that we need to do. These events parameters are not tracked by default, are not registered by default. Then they need to be added. Let me see if I can remember this. Events. Okay, so we need to add them as I guess is an event. They changed it. It was different stuff anyway. So we need to add it here. So let's go to the different account, the one that we created. Okay, and it already is in the same tab. Create event, and in the documentation, both for WordPress and HTML, you'll have, if you go to the Google Analytics integration, you'll have this events parameter section. All you have to do is copy it and create and paste it here, paste it here, paste. I think this, let me check. Yeah, I think this is okay, but this is modifying it. Let me try again. Add notification. Okay, parameter and parameter. This is not it. I'm sorry guys, I'm still new to this, so it is not in the event section. You need to go into the custom definition sections. Okay, so just select this one and you'll have this tab here, and just create custom definition and just paste this one, and this one. It's enough. You'll see it here, and copy the next one. Okay, and the last one. So this has to be done in order to record this custom parameter. So once this is done, now when we test this in debug view and play the track and these events are registered, you will see the events in the reports here, the custom parameters in the reports. This is why we need to do that. So if I go to the another account here and select this one and go to custom definitions, you will see that I already created this one, this stuff. It doesn't matter the order you are adding this stuff. So this is how it works. It's not difficult. It's annoying because they keep changing the interface. So I'm pretty sure 2-3 months, 1 year from now, this will be completely different, but the way it works will be the same. So they will not change this logic. So I hope this will be useful. I know a few clients asked for it. I apologize for the recording. I'm still having issues with my breathing after 2 years of COVID. It's really difficult, but I am back, and I will continue to improve this stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.